Meet the Autel AutoLink AL319 OBD2 scanner, a versatile powerhouse designed to cater for the diagnostic needs of most vehicles manufactured from 1996 onward. With its robust capabilities supporting OBD2 and CAN protocols, the Autel AL319 ensures you can rely on it for comprehensive vehicle diagnostics. Hey guys, Justice Hart here. Last time we talked about the answer AD310 and I addressed some commonly asked questions. Today, we are delving into the fascinating world of OBD2 diagnostic scanners with the highly acclaimed Autel AL319 in focus. The Autel AL319 boasts a sleek and ergonomic design, striking a perfect balance between portability and functionality. Its compact size fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, making it a convenient tool in your automotive arsenal. But how exactly do you use this tool? It's simpler than you might think. Thanks to its essential OBD port connector that seamlessly integrates with most vehicles. Just plug it into the OBD2 port beneath your car dashboard, turn on the ignition, and follow the on-screen instructions. The device's intuitive layout and user-friendly interface ensure that even a novice can navigate its features effortlessly. Whether you're checking error codes, accessing live data, or viewing freeze-frame snapshots, thanks to its simplistic enter or exit and scroll buttons. The Autel AL319 streamlines the diagnostic process. The Autel AL319 features a vibrant TFT color display that provides clear visuals, making it easy to read diagnostic information at a glance. The device's bright color-coded LEDs and built-in speaker enhance the user experience by providing both visual and audible indications. The Autel AL319 doesn't just identify issues, it also handles pending codes and addresses common engine problems such as misfires, oxygen sensor faults, and evaporative system leaks. Additionally, the Autel AL319 turns off the malfunction indicator light, clears codes, and resets the monitor, putting you back in control of your vehicle's maintenance needs. The Autel AL319's TFT color display, LED indicator, and simple navigation buttons make navigation a breeze, ensuring that you can access diagnostic information with ease. The device's one-click IM monitor button simplifies the process of checking your vehicle's emission readiness, allowing you to diagnose your vehicle's health with a single click. With its extensive vehicle coverage, the Autel AL319 supports a wide range of models, making it a versatile diagnostic tool for car enthusiasts and mechanics alike. Priced at under $40 on popular online marketplaces, the Autel AL319 offers exceptional value for money. While the Autel AL319 offers a plethora of benefits, it's essential to acknowledge its limitations, being that the Autel AL319 focuses primarily on basic diagnostic functions, excelling in reading and clearing fault codes, running IM monitor readiness tests, and checking vehicle information, freeze-frame, and live data. However, it lacks advanced features such as component tests, which may be required for more in-depth diagnostics, and doesn't offer wireless connectivity. As we reflect on the Autel AutoLink AL319 OBD2 scanner, it becomes clear that it strikes a balance between simplicity, affordability, and functionality. Whether you are a DIY car enthusiast looking to perform basic diagnostics or a professional mechanic seeking a reliable tool for everyday use, the Autel AL319 has something to offer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.